So here, in the 5th of July, we will put in collision for the first time in the LHC the protons at an energy record of 6.8 TeV per beam. And at this energy, the collision will be at 13.6 tera electronvolt, which will be very nice record for the experiment. And from this moment, it will be the data taking from the experiment for a long run of 3 years, hoping that we will have new discovery and interesting things coming out of this collision.
RUN3 is really going to be a kind of a game changer for us. In RUN2, we exploited the LHC in its normal LHC hardware construction. Okay. Now the injectors have been adapted. We can push the brightness and the intensity of the beam much more. We go to this 6.8 tera electron volt, which is an absolute record in energy of proton beams in the world. And we want to go up to 140 billion particles per package, per bunch. And as of 2023, all the way up to 2025, we want to further increase this to 180 billion particles per bunch. And this will give, of course, many more collisions in the experiments. So the LHC normally runs for the major part of the year with protons. But every year we have 4 weeks where we run ions, and mainly lead ions. And these lead ions initially were intended for ALICE, but also LHCb, ATLAS and CMS, they use these ions for physics. And what they would like to do is to have intermediate masses between these ions. So lead ions are very heavy, protons are much lighter, and they want to have points in the middle so that they can scan this mass range. And this is why they want to use different types of ions. So a few years ago we did xenon, and in 2024 we will do oxygen, which is on the light side of the mass spectrum.